Hello, this is Ashes and Dust. This video is going to be about something that actually occurred with me the other night and sharing a dream and reason why I'm doing that. Um, so the dream, it was very simple but very powerful, impactful. I was in the dream. I was practicing shooting basketball and everything, but there were no backboards. It was only rims with nets, and no backboards. So it was difficult at first to score, but after a while it became easy. So I thought that was interesting. And then before I knew it, I was talking to my boss and her daughter and everything, and we were all excited about something. We was excited because the aircraft carrier was coming into Mobile. It was going to port dock, or coming into Mobile port and dock there. And so we gathered ourselves, and when it did dock, we arrived at the port, and we went through the military and an admiral. There was an admiral there that was directing everyone what to do, and I just knew it was me and my boss and her daughter, and we were all excited, climbing up the stairs and everything. Getting wasn't just us three; it was like a couple thousand people. And then when we finally climbed up all those stairs, and then got on the deck of the aircraft carrier and everything, that was it for my dream. So what? Why is that impactful or important? Well, the Lord gave me understanding about it. The basketball practice where there's no backboards, only rims and nets. That is that signifies things are going to be a lot more difficult before the event happens, leading up to the event. Um, of course, my boss and her daughter, everything signifies, them coming, drawing very close to the Lord, the Lord using me to draw them close to Him. And of course, the aircraft carrier, um, that's the rapture. The Lord's basically, when He comes and He docks, He's going to take His people and then He's going to head out. And I have this overwhelming sense that it's extremely soon. I don't talk much about the rapture. I know it's real, and I know if the Lord either tells you something about it or shows you something, that pretty much He's coming to get you. A picture I posted in the community post, that's from the movie Raising Arizona. And that character, my brother keeps telling me that I look like him. It's pretty funny. But I didn't realize there's two things that actually put the seriousness of my dream, because it was the same day after I had that dream. I was just thinking about the movie Raising Arizona. And the last time I saw it was when I was a small child. I'm talking about I was 5, 1988. I remember watching it a lot in 1988. And here's something about the Lord. He's very poetic. Whatever you start in this life, he'll bring things to conclude it. Example, like when I started driving um, semi trucks and everything. I started with a 2014 Freightliner Cascadia Eaton double clutch 10-speed manual. And guess what I have? I'm not a Freightliner, but I have a double clutch Eaton 10-speed. You know? Yeah. So, but it's just like that race in Arizona actually put the seriousness of my dream to me and everything. That's why it's like it's a conclusion. So, how does that relate to you? Simply this: we don't have a tomorrow. No, you don't have all the time in the world to get done with whatever. No, time's been out and gone for quite a while now. But since if you wake up and it's a new day, then chances are that you have that day. And you're going to have to take it each and every single day, because there is coming that one day that changes everything and nothing goes back. The age of grace will be concluded. So, this is Ashes and Dust signing off. Until next time, God bless each and every single one of you and take care. Bye-bye.